Here at our Modern Fold Style showroom, we have a number of manufacturers on display. One of them is Klein, an 85-year-old company based out of Barcelona, Spain. One of their flagship systems is the telescopic 2+2 Extendo Synchronized. There are 4 moving panels in the system. The operation of all 4 is done with a single clean motion, opening all the way up to a maximum of over 16 feet. It is a 2-panel system, both synchronized, and they will allow for an 8-foot opening. So one of our newest manufacturers displayed here at the Modern Fold Style showroom is Modernus. There are seals going up both sides, and there is an automatic drop seal that engages as the door is brought into its closed position. This is Modernus Fimo, a combination of wood and glass finishes, completely customizable to your specifications. The wood and glass are perfectly aligned on the same visual plane.
So much glass, so much depth, the ability to have the beauty of the product come through worked very much to the interest of Modern Fold Styles.